It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. This month's theme, the Batman. Yeah. In this video, we're going to be building Batman's collar. He has an internal collar and an external collar, and we're going to be putting those two pieces together. Remember, if you enjoy my videos and tutorials, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, and hit that subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. This build is shaping up to be really nice. I'm happy with the progress so far. If you've been following along with this progress as well, I hope your build is looking good. Now, after you finish building your collars, this collar will attach with Velcro in the back, and then a piece of Velcro should go here and right under the chest so that these two pieces can connect like so, and this collar will stay under the chest. This collar will go on top like so, and you also need to use a strap or EVA foam to create a strap that connects here, that connects from under the collar to the shoulder, and the shoulder will be held in place with this connection, the strap or EVA foam, and then this strap goes on top of this like so, and everything will be held in place like that. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Let's gather our supplies and let's get to it. Print and cut out your patterns. This is the bottom of the collar. Trace it, flip it so that you have a mirror of it, and trace it again so that you cut it out with one continuous piece. Take note of where the bevel is here, and on the other side the bevel will be from here to here. I'm cutting the bevel first to make sure I don't forget, so I cut the bevel and then change to a straight cut and then back to a bevel cut, and then the rest of this piece is a regular cut. It will look like this, and you should see your beveled edges. Repeat the same technique for the top of the collar, and take note where the bevel is. So again, I cut out the bevel first, and then I cut out all my straight cuts. When the top is cut out, it will look like this. After you get both pieces cut out, glue them together. I'm using contact cement. If you're using contact cement, remember to use your respirator. Carefully glue the pieces together, starting at one end, working your way all the way to the other end. Use your heat gun to form and shape the collar as needed. Next, cut out these two collar pieces, piece A, and then cut out your inside collar. Remember to flip it, mirror it, and trace it so you get a complete piece like so. Glue those two collar pieces together, piece A, and then glue them on the back of your inside collar. When you put it all together, it's going to look like this. Right now I'm securing the back with a piece of tape because I need to get more elastic, but this is what the two collars will look like together. And there you have it. The collar is done. We have our strapping secured to our shoulder and under our chest, and it's gonna hold in place when you put everything on, when your cosplay is complete and you're putting everything on to wear it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video tutorial. Let me know how you did in the comments, and I want to see pictures of your progress as well. So hit me up on social media. This is my personal artist page. This is the cosplay page. I would love to hear from you. Remember, adventure awaits, so get out into the world and explore. I'll see you next time. Peace.